OnGreenShow.
Hey, it's been a while. Today we're gonna open up this super awesome Super Turtle from the Mirage Comics, TMNT Comics. Dope. At the end, talk about where I've been and where I'm going. I haven't made a video for a while. You might not know that if you're new here, but this is an old figure, so you've probably seen it maybe before. First out of the box is this little Polaroid camera. Super awesome. I really like that. We have a sewer, old school sewer. That's sick. I didn't get this for a while or when it came out because where I live when it came out, it was $30 more than a regular NECA figure, and I didn't want to pay an extra $30 for these like Cavity Patrol rejects. Oh, they are dope, and their articulation is pretty good for just being 1 point of articulation. That's cool. So it's Molaron and Gingivitor. No, they're called demonoids. No, domoids. I guess because you can see their brains through a clear dome over their heads. They're from Dimension X, I think, or some dimension where Mikey goes there and then he has to become the Super Turtle to fight them. Something like that. So I cut the ties just before I started filming so I don't have to do it on camera, and I should have known that and took the head out and stuff before I tilted him like this. I have to grab that head. I'll cut that out. Do this first. Oh, I cut one. There were two. See, my studio or like workshop here is not ready. That's part of why I've been away from YouTube for a while. So this doing what I can right now, but it'll be done soon, and then I can get back to doing videos every week and making a lot of new custom figures, and that I've already started. And because there's wire in his cape and you have to bend the wire to get it off him or to get him through the part where the cape is, but it's gonna be easier if I can get him out of the cape, but I can't do that. Now it's all twisted. Yeah, it's never as easy as I expect it to be, or as I hope it to be, or as I want it to be. I usually expect the worst, but I haven't done this for a while, so I forgot to do that. Oh, there's another wire at the bottom. Wow, that's really cool. It's gonna be really posable cape if I don't rip it trying to get it out, but if I do rip it, then I'll just say that that's battle damage, and it's extra cool. It's a variant, very rare feature. Yeah. Okay, that's sick though. Let's get them out. There are more accessories I'll have to grab. Be nice if the cape had like a magnet that kind of stuck on there to keep it down. See if I can get them standing up. So that cape is really dope and really posable, but it's gonna take a while to do something cool with it. So more stuff here. Gonna try to not have this stuff fall on the floor. I really want to look at that other head. I've had this guy for like 3 or 4 weeks, and I've really wanted to open him, but I don't have to do it on camera. I wanted to do it on camera. All right, that works. Perfect. Got a dumbbell. That's a really nice dumbbell. I like that. It's got an axe, pickaxe, mace of some sort, a stabbing arrow. I don't know, but a regular mace, or it's a mace you have to have a chain to swing it, or it's the wrapper from when I was in elementary school. Okay, I'm gonna find the head now. Dark down here. I don't have a light. I'm gonna cut this out, but yeah, this head is sick. Huh, cool. It's got 2 fist hands on him. Stupid Molaroid. Have these other turtles here. It's a different Super Turtle from the 87 series. Dark Turtle Donnie, and I have the regular Michelangelo from this version of the Mirage Comics. This cape is annoying. I don't like complaining, and this figure is awesome, but I didn't finish my story, I think, about how he was $30 more than a regular NECA figure, and this domoid's got a broken dome. Did that happen because he kept falling, or is that why he kept falling? Because he's dumber than the other other one because, you know, brain exposed. It might be damaged. And okay, where was I? But finally, I was at the store and I saw that he was $10 less than a regular NECA figure. So that's why I bought him a few weeks ago, because I had planned to turn this knockoff version that I got into him. But now I'm going to do other things with the 4 knockoff turtles, and one of them is going to be turned into me and the other people like me. Well, you'll see. We'll see. I know, but you'll see. Anyways, so that and lots more to come. This guy is awesome. I got so many projects that I started. I've been so busy trying to fix this place. Anyway, it's taking a really long time, plus a whole bunch of other stuff that's not really important. I really love this Polaroid camera. This guy is awesome, but I still think I like this Mikey better, the Wanderer. And I have the other Super Turtle from the 2007 series that I refurbished a long time ago. He's dope, but he's in one of these boxes. I haven't taken him out yet, or he's not like easily visible, but should be back to regular schedule soon. Thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, remember, always keep your head up. Peace, 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 peace. Wow.